Okay, continuation for the sample practice of final exam. Muhammad, please read question number 15.
Okay, number 15. Solve the radical equation. In a root, square root 6x minus 2 equals 4.
Okay, we know that if you want to get rid of the square root, what should you do?
We need to square them.
Right, so if we square one side, we have to do what to the other side?
Square it as well.
Exactly. So let's do this. If you square the square root, what do you get?
The square root, it will go, so we will have 6x minus 2 equals 16.
Equals 16. And then I'm going to move the constant to the other side. So it's going to be plus, so it's going to be 18 equals 6x. Okay,
So it will be x equals 3.
Equal 18, divide by what?
Divide by
3?
6 in the both sides, x equals 3.
By 6 both sides, correct? So you get what? X equal what?
X equals 3.
3. So the answer, the solution set is what? 3.
3.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Good. All right, let's go to the next question. Read ya Muhammad, number 16.
So, solve the following equation using the quadratic formula. X squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0.
What is the
طبعا
quadratic formula? The quadratic formula
إذا ما خبرني هذه فيها فرق.
negative b plus or minus square root of what? b squared minus
b تربيع زائد ناقص 4ab
over
ac
2a.
على 2a.
Okay, so the question comes here. How much is a here?
1.
How much is b?
b c3.
Okay, so a is the value here, and this is the b, and this is the c. So I'm gonna apply the formula now. So x equal, then I'm gonna do like this, right? Divide the line, and then I'm gonna make this one. It's negative, right? Negative b, so it's gonna be negative, and you put the value inside, and then plus or minus, and then you will make it like this, and then here is gonna be what? Squared, right?
Yes.
Minus 4, and then 2 values gonna be put here, and then we have 2, and then 1 value here. Now I'm gonna put the values. Okay, so a is how much? How much
The
is
a
a?
is 1 for the 1.
Right. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 here. How much is b? 4.
4.
So 4 and 1 is here. What about c? 3.
3.
Okay. Now, what should I do next? I have to square the 4. It become what? Square the 4.
16. 16.
You get 16. So this is negative 4 here, plus or minus 16. 4 times 3, how much?
12.
12. So you're going to get negative 4 plus or minus a square root of what? 4 over 2, which is minus 4 plus or minus a square root of what? 4. How much is square root of 4?
2.
2 over 2. Now you have, we can simplify this. So to simplify this, how can you simplify it? We
minus
can do
4
it
with 2, it will give us minus 2.
I can take 2 outside as a common, right? And what's left inside? Negative 2 plus or minus 1 over
plus minus 1. 2.
Okay, and can I cancel now? Can I cancel?
Yes. Yes.
The 2 is a 2. So what's next? You're going to get negative 2 plus or minus
1.
So that means you have 2 solutions, right? Negative 2 plus 1, which equal what? Negative 1. Or you have negative 2 minus 1, which is negative 3. Okay, so you have 2 solutions. Negative 1, negative 3. So your solution set is negative 1, negative 3. Easy as easy?
Easy.
Let's go to the next one. Yeah,
Okay.
read. 17.
17. Solve the equation. Log 5x plus 8 equals log 5.
Okay, so here I have the same log. If you have the same log, they cancel each other. Okay, and what you
Yes.
end up with x plus 8 equal what? 10. So x equal what? 10 minus 8. So x equal what?
10 minus 8. 2.
2. So your answer here is what? Solution set is 2.
2.
Okay. Now, of
Yes.
course, you can check the answer because sometimes the answer is wrong, right? Sometimes you
Yes.
don't have a solution. So you're going to say log 5 here, x is what? 2 plus 8 equal log 5 and 10. 2 plus 8, how much?
10.
10. And the other side, you still have the same thing, right? 10. So they are a true. Okay.
Yes.
So this is correct answer. Let's go to the last one, number 18.
Solve the equation. 3 to the power of 7x times 3 to the power of 8x equals 243.
Now remember, when you have base equal base, then what happened to the exponent? Then what happened? Power equal what? Power.
Power.
Now look at the base. We have same base here, right? So
Yes.
3 times 3, and you have 7x, 8x. If you have same base, then you add a exponent, correct? So
Yes.
you get what? 15x, correct?
Yes.
Now, how much is the other side? 243. To what power is 243? 3 to what power?
I guess 11.
Do it on the calculator.
Let me double check. $54.
3 to the power of 5.
دقيقة. 3 to the power of 5. اي والله.
So now I have 3 to the power of 15x equal 3 to the power of 5. So we have the base equal what? The base, right?
Yes.
3,
Yes.
3, right? If, the power, what happened to the power? The power equal what?
The power.
The power. So 15x equal what? 5. Correct?
Yes.
So x equal to how much?
3.
1 over 3.
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
So both 1 over 3 here. So that's the end of the review. I think the last question. This is the last question. So
Yes.
remember, this is just the sample. Okay?
Yes.
But you need to go to my MATLAB and practice maybe like 15 times. You have to do it 15 times.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay?